We have arrived at the Hoh campground in the Hoh Rainforest in Washington, and we're only here a night. Sometimes we get to these places and we're like, man, I wish we would have worked this out better, but we are sporadic and we just we get what we get. And so we got a good one this time again. Also, we're in the rainforest, and you can see it is sunny and warm and breezy. We couldn't ask for anything more. Right behind us is the river, and I will take you back there in just a minute, but I wanted to show you what our campsite looks like. So we have just enough room for our camper and truck to fit in this spot. We could only get one night here though, so it's very spacious over here. You got your campfire in your table area, the cool mossy trees here. It did take us an hour and a half to get in from sitting in line waiting to get in, and we already had a campground reservation, so it was a little bit frustrating, but it is peak season, so we are understanding. So here is a view just right behind our campsite. It is beautiful. The river is coming through. Andy and I visited through here 5 years ago as well, and got to see some elk on the river. So we are hoping to have another great experience here with the kids and take it in as quickly as possible, because we have today and we have to be out by 11 tomorrow morning. So one more quick view of what we have around here, and then we're gonna adventure.